Wow, this is it.
Oh, hey, you must be John.
Oh, yes. Hi.
I'm Sarah. We're on the same team.
Nice to meet you. I'm a little nervous, honestly.
Oh, don't be. Everyone's super nice here. Is this your first day?
Yeah, literally just walked in.
Perfect timing. I was just grabbing coffee. Want some?
Sure, that would be great.
Come on, I'll show you where the break room is.
Thank you so much. I wasn't sure where to go.
Yeah, the office can be, a bit confusing at first, but you'll get used to it.
How long have you been working here?
About 2 years now, actually.
Oh, wow. You must know everything.
I wouldn't say everything, but I can definitely help you out.
That's really nice of you.
No problem. We're like a family here, you know? So, this is the break room.
Oh, nice. It's bigger than I expected.
Yeah, we're lucky. Free coffee, tea, snacks.
Free?
Yep, the company provides it. Pretty sweet deal.
That's awesome.
There's regular coffee, or you can use the fancy machine for lattes and stuff.
Which one do you recommend?
The fancy machine is fun, but it takes forever, so regular coffee if you're in a hurry.
Good to know. I'll just do regular today.
Smart choice. Cream and sugar are over there.
So, what's the team like?
The team? Really chill, honestly.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, no drama or anything. Everyone just wants to get their work done and go home.
Perfect.
Our manager, Tom, is super laid back too.
I met him during the interview.
Oh yeah? He's great. Very supportive, you know?
That's reassuring.
So, what position are you starting in?
Marketing coordinator.
Oh, cool. Same as me, basically.
Really?
Yeah, we'll probably be working together a lot.
That's great.
Let me give you a quick tour before we go to your desk.
That would be helpful.
So, over here is the main workspace, open floor plan, as you can see.
Yeah, lots of desks.
Your desk is over there near the window, actually.
Oh, nice. Natural light.
Yeah, you lucked out. Some people are stuck in the middle.
Good to know.
That's the conference room where we have team meetings.
How often do you have meetings?
Usually Monday mornings and Friday afternoons, just to sync up, you know?
That sounds reasonable.
Yeah, Tom doesn't believe in unnecessary meetings, thank God.
I appreciate that.
Over there is the IT department.
IT?
Yeah, if your computer breaks or you forget your password, that's where you go.
Good to know.
And bathrooms are down that hallway.
Got it.
Oh, and the printer is over there, but honestly, it jams all the time.
Every office has one of those.
Right? So annoying. All right, this is your desk.
Oh, wow, it's so clean.
Yeah, they cleaned it this morning. You can decorate it however you want.
Really?
Yeah, bring photos, plants, whatever. Make it your own.
That's cool.
So your computer should be set up already.
Let me try to log in.
Your username is probably your first initial and last name.
Like J. Smith?
Exactly. And they should have emailed you a temporary password.
Oh, yeah, I see it. Okay, I'm in.
Perfect. Make sure you change that password to something you'll remember.
Good idea.
And, bookmark the shared drive.
Shared drive?
Yeah, that's where we keep all the project files.
How do I access it?
It should be in your email. Tom sends a welcome email with all the links.
Oh, found it.
Great. Also, join our Slack workspace.
Slack?
Yeah, that's how we communicate, like instant messaging.
Oh, got it. I've used it before.
Perfect. Just make sure you join the marketing channel.
Will do.
Let me introduce you to some people.
Sure.
Hey, James, this is John, our new team member.
Oh, hey, John. Welcome aboard. Thanks. Nice to meet you. You too. Where are you from? Originally from Seattle, but I just moved here. Oh, cool. How are you liking it so far? Still getting settled, you know. but it's nice. Yeah, it's a good city. If you need any recommendations, just ask. I definitely will, thanks.
James handles all our social media.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's fun. You'll probably work with me on some campaigns.
Looking forward to it.
And over there is Sarah. She does graphic design. Welcome.
Thank you.
You'll meet everyone else later. We have about 15 people on our team.
That's a good size.
Yeah, not too big, not too small.
So what will I be working on today?
Well, probably just orientation stuff, getting familiar with systems.
No actual work yet?
Not really. Tom usually gives new people a few days to settle in.
That's nice of him.
Yeah, he doesn't believe in throwing people into the deep end.
I appreciate that.
You'll probably have a meeting with him later today.
Okay, cool.
He'll go over your responsibilities, projects you'll be working on, stuff like that.
Sounds good.
In the meantime, you should read through the employee handbook.
Where do I find that?
It should be in your email or on the shared drive.
Got it.
And familiarize yourself with our current campaigns.
Where can I see those?
On our website and social media. Just browse through and get a feel for our brand voice.
That makes sense.
Oh, and we have a project management tool called Asana.
Asana?
Yeah, that's where we track all our tasks and deadlines.
I've never used it before.
It's pretty intuitive. I can show you later.
That would be great. Thanks.
Hey, it's lunchtime. Want to grab food?
Sure. Where do people usually go?
There's a cafeteria downstairs, or we can go out.
What do you usually do?
Honestly, I bring lunch from home most days. But on your first day, let's go out.
Oh, you don't have to.
No, I want to. There's a great sandwich place around the corner.
Okay, if you're sure.
Totally. Come on. So, how are you feeling so far?
Honestly, a little overwhelmed, but in a good way.
That's totally normal.
There's just so much to learn.
Yeah, but don't stress. You'll pick it up quickly.
I hope so.
Trust me, by the end of the week, you'll feel way more comfortable.
That's reassuring.
So, what made you want to work here?
Well, I really liked the company culture during the interview.
Yeah, it's pretty relaxed here.
And the projects seem interesting.
They are. We work with some cool clients.
Like who?
Can't say names, but tech startups, fashion brands, that kind of thing.
That sounds fun.
It is. You'll see.
Can I ask you something?
Of course.
What's the, office culture here? Any unwritten rules I should know?
Good question. Let me think.
Like dress code?
Oh, super casual. Jeans and a t-shirt are fine.
Really?
Yeah, unless you have a client meeting or something, then maybe dress up a bit.
Got it.
What else? Oh, we have Focus Fridays.
Focus Fridays.
Yeah, no meetings on Fridays, so everyone can just focus on work.
Oh, I love that.
Right? It's amazing.
What about working hours?
Officially 9 to 5, but everyone's pretty flexible.
Flexible how?
Like, if you need to come in at 10 and stay until 6, that's fine, as long as you get your work done.
That's nice.
Yeah, Tom's big on work-life balance.
What about working from home?
You can do 2 days a week once you're settled in.
Wow, that's generous.
Yeah, most people do Mondays and Fridays at home.
That sounds perfect.
Oh, and one more thing.
Yeah?
Don't heat up fish in the microwave.
Noted.
Seriously, someone did that once and the whole office smelled for hours.
I'll stick to sandwiches.
Back at the office. All right, let me show you Asana.
Okay.
So this is where all our projects live.
Wow, there's a lot going on.
Yeah, but it's organized by project. See?
Oh, that makes sense.
You'll get assigned tasks here, and you can see deadlines, comments, files, everything.
That's really helpful.
Yeah, it keeps everyone on the same page.
How do I know what to work on?
Tom will assign tasks to you. They'll show up in your inbox here.
Got it.
And if you have questions, just comment on the task and tag whoever can help.
Okay, that's easy enough.
Yeah, you'll get the hang of it.
Hey, John. How's the first day going? Hi, Tom. It's going great, thanks. Good, good. Sarah taking care of you? Yes, she's been amazing.
Just doing my job.
Perfect. So I'll have a proper meeting with you tomorrow to go over everything. Sounds good. But for today, just get comfortable, settle in. Will do. And welcome to the team officially. Thank you. I'm excited to be here. We're excited to have you. See you tomorrow.
Hey, you're heading out?
Yeah, I think so. Is it okay to leave at 5?
Of course. You don't have to ask.
Okay, just making sure.
How was your first day?
Honestly, way better than I expected.
Yeah?
Yeah, everyone's so friendly.
I told you.
And thank you so much for helping me today.
Oh, it was nothing.
No, seriously, you made it so much easier.
Oh, I'm glad. I remember my first day and how lost I felt.
Really?
Yeah, someone helped me out, so I'm just paying it forward.
Well, I really appreciate it.
Of course. And if you have questions tomorrow, just ask.
I will.
You're taking the train home?
Yeah, the blue line.
Oh, same. We can walk together.
Perfect.
So, feeling good about coming back tomorrow?
Definitely. I was so nervous this morning, but now I'm actually excited.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna like it here.
You will. It's a great place to work.
Thanks again for everything, Sarah.
Anytime. See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.